Hello everyone, welcome to another video on CompTIA A Plus Core 2 series. This is part 8 in this series, so let's get started. Question number 1 in today's video is that a type of hierarchical database structure used in Windows server environments that enables centralized management of devices and resources on a network is known as, and the options are home group, Active Directory, Workgroup, and Windows domain. And the correct option is Active Directory. Question number 2 is that on a Windows domain, this tool can be used by system administrators to configure initial backup environment, which may include mapping a network drive or setting up access to a shared printer for a specific user. And the options are MDM policy, login script, group policy, and directory permissions. And the correct option is login script. Question number 3 is that which of the following terms describe a large network of Windows-based PCs under a single administration? And the options are home group, Windows domain, Active Directory, and work group. And the correct option is Windows domain. So the Windows domain refers to a large group or large network of Windows-based PCs which are administered under a single administration. Question number 4 is that in Windows Active Directory environment, this feature enables centralized management and configuration of operating system, application, and user account settings. And the options are local users and groups, resource monitor, group policy, and user account control. And the correct option is group policy. Question number 5 is that in Windows domain environment, the term home folder refers to a directory on a local PC where users backup their data and files. And we have two options, true and false, and the correct option is false. So this statement is false. Question number 6 is which of the Windows Active Directory group policy settings allows network administrators to map a folder on a user PC to a server-based location? And the options are folder redirection, local users and group, user account control, and directory permissions. And the correct option is folder redirection. Question number 7 is that in Windows Active Directory environment, this feature can be used by system administrators to assign user rights and grant permissions to shared resources. And the options are global groups, security groups, distribution groups, and universal groups. And the correct option is security groups. Question number 8 is which wireless encryption scheme offers the highest level of protection? And the options are WEP, WPA3, WPS, WPA, and WPA2. And the correct option is WPA3. So the WPA3 is the latest encryption method that is used in wireless encryption on the Wi-Fi access points. Question number 9 is that which of the answers listed below refers to a security protocol designed to strengthen the WEP implementations? And the options are PEAP, PEAP, TKIP, CCMP, and WPA2. And the correct option is TKIP. Question number 10 is that which of the following wireless technologies has been deprecated and should not be used due to its known vulnerabilities? And the options are EAP, WPA2, AES, and WEP. And the correct option is WEP, web. Question number 11 is which of the cryptographic algorithms listed below is the least vulnerable to attacks? And the options are AES, Advanced Encryption Standard DES, RC4, and triple dash R3 DES. DES stands for Data Encryption Standard, and the correct option is DES. So DES is the latest and most used encryption algorithm and is also the most secure. Question number 12 is that which of the following encryption scheme is used in Wi-Fi Protected Access 2 or WPA2, and the options are RC4, AES CCMP, TKIP with RC4, or AES GCMP, and the correct option is AES-CCMP. Question number 13 is that for the purpose of encryption, Wi-Fi Protected Access 3 WPA3 take advantage of, and we have to select two answers, and the options are AES GCMP, PSK, TKIP with RC4, AES CCMP, and SAE, and the correct options are AES-GCMP and AES CCMP. Question number 13 is that which of the following acronyms refers to a client authentication method used in WPA3 personal mode, and the options are AES, RC4, IKE, PSK, and SAE, and the correct option is PSK or pre-shared key. PSK stands for pre-shared key. Question number 15 is that which of the acronyms listed below refers to a client authentication method used in WPA3 personal mode, and the options are SAE, IKE, RC4, PSK, and AES, and the correct answer is SAE. Question number 16 is that which of the following should be the best solution for securing a small network that lacks an authentication server, and the options are WPA3-SAE, WPA2-Enterprise, WPA2-PSK, and WPA3-Enterprise, and the correct options are WPA3-SAE. Question number 17 is that what are the characteristic features of WPA2 and WPA3 enterprise mode? We have to select three answers, and the options are suitable for large corporate networks, IEEE 802.1d, does not require an authentication, IEEE 802.1x, suitable for all type of wireless LANs, and requires radius authentication server, and the correct options are suitable for large enterprise networks, IEEE 802.1x, and it requires radius authentication server. Question number 18 is that which part of the AAA security architecture deals with the verification of the identity of a person or a process, and the options are authentication, authorization, and accounting, and the correct option is authentication. So when you log into a website or to any secure service and you log in through a username and password, that part of the security architecture is known as authentication. Question number 19 is that which of the answers listed below refers to the process of granting or denying access to resources, and the options are again authentication, authorization, and accounting, and the correct option is authorization. So after authentication, when a person logs into to any application or to a service, then the system grants him specific permissions to specific resources, and this part is known as authorization. Question number 20 is that in the AAA security architecture, the process of tracking accessed services as well as the amount of consumed resources is called, and the options are authentication, authorization, and accounting. And the correct option is accounting. So this is the third and the last process in AAA security architecture. After logging in and after granting the access to specific resources, whenever that resource is accessed or consumed, it is accounted for, or it is tracked through logs. So this process is known as accounting. Question number 21 is that examples of more complex authentication protocols providing the AAA functionality include, and we have to select all the correct options. The options are CHAP, TACACS Plus, PAP, Radius, and MS CHAP. And the correct options are TACACS Plus and Radius. Question number 22 is what are the characteristics of TACACS Plus, and we have to select 3 answers, and the correct answers are that it encrypts the entire payload of the access request packet, it is used for device administration, and it separates authentication and authorization. Question number 23 is that what are the characteristic features of Radius, and we have to select 3 answers, and the correct 3 answers are about the Radius. The first one is that it is primarily used for network access. Option 2 is that it combines authentication and authorization, and the last correct option is that it encrypts only the password in the access request packet. Question number 24 is that which of the following authentication protocol can be used to enable SSO in Windows-based network environment? And the options are PAP, LDAP, MSCHAP, and Kerberos. And the correct option is Kerberos. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Thank you all. Bye bye.